So this is Make an Adventure. I'm Kimi. That's Steph. We're on an adventure today. Kincaid Park, the single track trail. You want to say anything to YouTube, Scott?
It's a nice day for a ride. I love that view over there. Yeah. See a dinosaur just chomping through that forest, you know?
Yeah.
Put this on your bike?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice. No wrecks.
Alright, good morning, y'all. It's about 7:30 in the morning, but we are on our way to get tires. We are cleaning out our truck. We have a bunch of stuff in here that would fall over for sure. But I'm not normally up this early. I'm so tired. Tired. Yeah, our old tires are very dry rotted and bad. The treads are still decent. Like, we have decent traction, but I have no confidence that our tires will be good through the Alcan, through Canada. So we need new tires for sure. I don't even trust them on the highway. Like, they are ready to blow out. They're dry rotted and old and cracking. But let's get to work. So my main concern is our solar panels just leaning up against the wall right here. So I'm just gonna lay those down. Alright, I've got the panels stacked. And Kimi's got it strapped. And we are almost ready to go. It's just, we need to clean off the stove and do something about all these totes maybe. Or maybe not. You know.
I think the totes might be fine.
Okay.
Maybe the stuff off the top of it.
Yeah. So maybe just the top of the tote stuff.
When we get the truck back from getting the tires, we'll probably go through all these totes.
Yeah. Because a lot of the stuff we don't need it here anymore. And some of this stuff is just straight up trash. Like this.
Is that an empty box?
This is empty box.
So this is the first time we've taken the truck to the shop.
And left it.
Yeah, and left it. Kind of nervous about it, but it's okay. These guys deal with big trucks all the time. The front tires, well, what we need to change, obviously we need to change all the tires because we've got a really big trip planned and we don't want to blow out on the highway. But these rear ones are kind of rough. They're actually dry rotted and stuff. The front ones look pretty good, but there's a shake around 35, 40 miles an hour. And the guy said that he was going to take a look at the steers once he gets it in the shop and then let us know if those need to be changed too. We're going to change all 6 before we get on the Alcan, but for right now, because of the tire prices and everything, we can only do these back ones today. Yeah, should be done by noon and then we can come pick it up.
There's the new tires. They've got the little new tire thingies on them that, yeah, they're nice and new and not dry rotted. So this is great. It's a great day. We only got the back 4 tires done, and we had the guys at the shop save us this one, which is one of the better looking tires that we had, for our spare, because we didn't want to buy another one. But this is how old the tire was. It was a 1997. So these may have been the original tires on the truck. The truck's a 98. Oh my goodness, this is a big tire. We're gonna stick this in the motorcycle area, and hopefully we'll be able to actually like lift it. I don't know, we'll see. We will see.
Go ahead, toss it up.
Here, take the phone. Oh my
Don't
goodness.
hurt your back. Okay.
Holy moly.
Okay.
This thing's like 200 pounds.
You hold this.
Is it going? Still? Yes.
Oh, it's heavy. It's not 200 pounds. That didn't work.
There you go. Wow, you are strong. You are a strong man. Very, very mini strong. Is that... You're gonna have to tie that down.
Yeah.
It's gonna come out the door.
I'll probably lay it down.
Okay.
You hold these?
Yeah. We haven't really done a whole lot on the truck in the recent days, just because we've been cleaning the garage, and it's still kind of messy, but it's a whole lot better than it was before. It was a lot. And we got the bikes out of the shed. We plan on going single track riding a whole lot more. And if you look right over there, that's a CNC machine Kimi had at his parents' place. That we brought over, and I'm surprised we have more space and more stuff at the same time. That's wow. There's a dust collector and a bunch of stuff. And look, floor. We're making progress. It's not perfect, but all the bikes can fit in here now, which is great. The reason why we're cleaning the garage right now is because most of the projects upcoming on the truck are going to need lots of indoor space. We're going to need to do the bins, we're going to need to finish the bathtub. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video. Really hope you liked it. If you do, push that like button and subscribe. We'll see you later.